In the meantime, the state minister in the Education Ministry has condemned violence against children. In his address to stakeholders at a function in St. James, Alanda Terrelong said government would use all its powers to bring child killers to justice. TVJ's Kalisha Williams has that story.
On Tuesday, the body of 8-year-old Shantae Skyers was found in Red Hill, St. Andrew, bringing the issue of violence against children back into the spotlight. Minister of State in the Youth Ministry, Alanda Terrelong, believes the country has failed in protecting some of the most vulnerable children.
Our children are the future of our society. Our children are a part of us. Our children belong to us. Our children have human rights, and their human rights must be safeguarded. Their human rights must be protected.
Likewise, he pointed out that parents are part of the problem.
And much of the violence committed against our children happens within our homes, and it speaks to the lack of responsible parenting that happens here. Now, whilst there are some parents who are very responsible, there are others who are not fit to be parents.
A 2015 report from the Office of the Children's Registry shows that over 40,000 children in Jamaica were victims of child abuse, with about 18,000 of those cases being physical. Now a promise that the government is committed to strengthening the law so that the most vulnerable are protected and criminals are brought to justice.
We will do everything that we can to strengthen the laws to ensure that persons who commit violence against our children, that they are dealt with swiftly and efficiently.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.